I saw something.
Why does everything in the 3D world feel like it costs an arm and a leg? From software licenses to add-ons, it seems like building your creative toolkit can drain your wallet pretty quickly. And now, as if costs weren't enough, AI tools are coming in strong, leaving many artists wondering, will AI eventually replace them entirely? Let's break this down. First up, why are 3D add-ons so expensive? To understand this, you need to look at the process behind creating them. These aren't just quick weekend projects for developers. A high-quality add-on often requires months of development, rigorous testing, and ongoing updates. Developers have to keep their tools compatible with software updates and operating systems, things that can break functionality overnight. Take Blender, for example. While the base software is free, many add-ons, like those for rendering, texturing, or even animation, fill gaps that would otherwise take you hours or even days to solve manually. These tools save you time, but their price often reflects the complexity and expertise required to develop them. Plus, let's not forget customer support, another hidden cost developers factor in. Now, when it comes to full-fledged 3D software like Maya or Cinema 4D, we're dealing with a whole different beast. These programs can cost thousands annually because they're built for professional studios that demand reliability, cutting-edge features, and constant updates. Their subscription models might seem expensive, but they include things like technical support, training materials, and enterprise-level stability. These companies invest heavily in R&D to maintain their edge in a competitive market. But here's where the conversation gets even more interesting. AI tools are becoming increasingly popular in 3D workflows, automating everything from modeling to texturing. Think about tools that can generate landscapes or NPC animations in minutes. This has led to the big question, will AI replace 3D artists? Here's the reality. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Yes, it's fast, and yes, it's evolving, but it lacks the nuance, creativity, and emotional depth that human artists bring to the table. AI can handle repetitive or procedural tasks, freeing you up to focus on storytelling, composition, and other uniquely human aspects of design. Industry experts argue that rather than replacing artists, AI will become an extension of our creativity. Just like Photoshop didn't replace illustrators, but empowered them, AI in 3D workflows can enhance what artists can achieve, pushing boundaries faster than ever before. So, are 3D add-ons expensive? Absolutely, but they're priced that way for a reason. Development costs, time savings, and value addition. Will AI replace artists? Unlikely. It's more about adapting and finding ways to make these tools work for you. The future of 3D isn't a battle between humans and AI, it's a collaboration, and honestly, that's where the magic happens. What do you think? Are 3D tools overpriced, or do they deliver enough value to justify the cost? And how are you using AI in your workflows? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. And speaking of tools that add value to your work, let me introduce you to the Cinematic Starter Pack. This Blender add-on is a powerhouse for artists looking to create stunning cinematic visuals. It comes packed with customizable cameras, color grading nodes, and advanced water animations that make your scenes more dynamic and polished. The best part? There's a free version you can try right now. But if you want to unlock all the premium features and support creators like us, consider upgrading to the premium version. You'll gain access to even more advanced tools like enhanced materials and exclusive updates to help you push your creativity further. Ready to transform your workflow? Check out the link in the description below and start exploring the possibilities with the Cinematic Starter Pack. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we talk about both 2D and 3D animation, and more inspiring content from the digital world of creation, consider subscribing and turn on the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, don't forget to participate in our YouTube community posts. Your feedback really helps us create content that you enjoy. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.